Hello everybody, my name is Kris Gethin and I am the CEO of Kaged Muscle, and today I'm going to talk to you about our new product, PRE-KAGED Sport. PRE-KAGED Sport is a clean formulated premium product with ingredients that deliver the perfect balance of energy, endurance, focus, hydration and power to enhance your game time performance without feeling overstimulated. So whether you're battling through WODs, crushing miles on your run, or simply want to dominate your gym workouts, PRE-KAGED Sport is a pre-workout that delivers finely tuned blends of ingredients for hard training athletes and lifters alike. So keep your head in the game with clean energy and mental clarity. Most pre-workout products pump their formulas so full of stimulants that they do little more than hijack your central nervous system, often causing jitters, overstimulation, and leave you feeling mentally scattered. So PRE-KAGED Sport is designed specifically to deliver a precise combination of organic caffeine and a pure amino acids L-tyrosine to put you in peak performance zone mentally with clean energy, piercing intensity, and mental focus without pushing you over the edge. PRE-KAGED Sport has ingredients like beta-power betaine, fermented plant-based citrulline to enhance muscular blood flow, and fatigue-fighting Carnosine beta-alanine to help you raise your game and perform at your very best. Now, the fuel to win is hydration and fluid balance. From optimizing your training, performance, and recovery to supporting joint health, hydration is one of the most important and often overlooked aspects of your training and nutrition. PRE-KAGED Sport contains key electrolytes like sodium from Himalayan pink sea salt and aquamin, magnesium from seawater to support hydration, fluid balance for optimal performance. Now let me go through some of the ingredients breakdown. Betaine. Betaine has been widely researched for its potential to enhance performance and body composition. Scientists suspect continuous betaine supplementation can increase performance through at least 3 mechanisms, which include increasing creatine synthesis as an osmolyte, protecting cellular hydration, and its ability to support nitric oxide. Organic caffeine has been researched not only for its effect on endurance and strength, but mental focus, and it also stimulates the central nervous system by blocking adenosine, which can delay fatigue. And we choose organic caffeine because it's cleaner and derived from green coffee bean, not lab formulated from synthetic sources. Carnosine beta-alanine is an amino acid that binds with the amino acid histidine to help your body make carnosine. Carnosine supports better overall muscle function by buffering hydrogen ions when the body's pH becomes too low, which is a byproduct of intense exercise. Beta-alanine supplementation over time has been shown to improve endurance during bursts of high-intensity exercise. Citrulline. A meta-analysis of 12 clinical studies show that citrulline significantly improves high-intensity strength and power performance, making it ideal for high-level athletes participating in sports that require multiple bursts of explosive movements. The PRE-KAGED Sport delivers just enough citrulline to support blood flow without the muscle pump that could hinder performance. Magnesium aquamin is a highly bioavailable form of magnesium produced from seawater. Magnesium is involved in important functions, including nerve signal conduction, muscle contraction, and muscle relaxation. Pink Himalayan sea salt sodium is a critical mineral required for improved performance and supports nerve signal conduction, muscle contraction, and fluid balance regulation. Taurine is involved in various processes, including facilitating calcium release, which impacts muscle contractions and contributes to the antioxidant system of stress response and influencing substrate utilization. A meta-analysis of studies on taurine supplementation demonstrated that it increases overall endurance performance. Tyrosine is a precursor for neurotransmitter hormones that are associated with motivation and a fight or flight response. Studies have shown that tyrosine can enhance cognitive performance under stress. The Kaged Muscle difference Now, people often struggle to achieve their health and fitness goals because they're using underdosed supplements made with low-grade ingredients that are artificially flavored and colored. Kaged Muscle supplements are formulated with ultra-premium, properly dosed key ingredients that are clean, effective, and use no colors or flavors from artificial sources. Stop wasting your time and money and start building the physique you want without sacrificing your health. Now, Pre-Kaged Sports delivers clean energy and mental clarity. It improves endurance and performance. It optimizes hydration and fluid dynamics. It's Informed Sport, certified and banned substance free. It's a game changer. No matter your sport or athletic discipline, Pre-Kaged Sport is formulated by athletes for athletes to help you elevate your training and game time performance. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you found this video very informative, all about the new Pre-Kaged Sport. Use it in your game time facilitation for versatility of your workouts. My name is Kris Gethin, CEO of Kaged Muscle, and I'm out.